Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Household Essentials All-Purpose Cotton Clothing Line Rope. Now, normally this rope is used for hanging your clothing or, sheets or anything that you've washed, any kind of fabric that you've washed. You would string this along, two poles or against a fence or whatever, or a tree or something, anything to make a line across the yard or whatever, and hang your clothes on it. And it works very well for that. Actually, I've used this for things of that nature. I've also used it for hanging a piñata, and I also used it for my main purpose, which is to tie things that I've bought, large things, to a truck and, tie it down and make sure it's secure. This works very well for that. In the cotton, in the way it's made, it has a little bit of elasticity to it, so it stretches minute, just a little bit, just enough so you could tie it really tight. Like you pull it and then tie it down, and it makes it really tight to whatever you're tying it on. And I've been using it for that purpose for a long time now. This is one of probably 11 of these that I have here at my home, and I've been using these for a long time. And they're very economical, and you can get them just about anywhere. And with this one, you get about 100 feet of rope with this, which is a lot. I mean, it makes it so you only need this one. You don't need to really get two and tie it together. I mean, this is a lot of rope to do whatever you need to do with it. And the thickness of the rope, this is about 3/16 of an inch. Yeah, that's pretty thick enough to do with what you need to do with it. Yeah, this kind of rope is pretty much all purpose. I mean, I know its main use is supposed to be clothing line, but it's an actual rope that you can actually do all kind of things with. It's made very well, and it's very strong. I have several friends that use this for exactly the same reason, same way I use it, to tie things down on a truck bed or something like that. That's actually where I got the idea to use it for that. And it's very strong rope. It's a very usable rope to do that kind of thing. It's also very good for, just like parties, like when I say I use it for piñatas. It's just long enough, and like I said, it has that elasticity to it, so it bounces a little bit. So, when you're pulling the rope, it kind of makes it so the piñata bounces when, comes up and down. So it's really good for that. I like this rope a lot, and I know a lot of people who use it for the same reasons I do. And it's really good. And it comes in colors other than white, actually. I seen a gray one, and I saw another one that was kind of bluish color, but it had like it was mainly blue, but it had little spots on it, little like freckly dark spots on it. It was weird, but I'm preference to the white one because, I don't know, it just means that it's clean. Yeah, and 100 feet works for me. That's a lot of rope to do whatever you need to do. And I mean, I know I buy several of these, but while one is being used for one thing, I'm using another for a completely different thing. So it's not that they're getting damaged or anything. They're all in great working order, and they're all fairly old. They last a long time. It's made very well. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, this has been the Household Essentials All-Purpose Cotton Clothing Line Rope. Well, guys, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right? Okay. Bye-bye.